this is Sandra. This is the end results of our tender and juicy chicken breast. Smoked on the grill, cooked in the oven for about 15 minutes on 400. Let sit for in the oven for about another 10 minutes. Take it out. Wrap it in aluminum foil and put it on your grill and let it get that grill smoke on it. You cannot go wrong with this, y'all. It is delicious. Look at the juice that come out of that. Oh my goodness, it's so wonderful. This Sunday I want to tell you happy eating. And thank you for coming to my channel and getting these wonderful recipes. Look at this, how tender this is. It is so tender. Look at that. It is so tender, y'all. Very good, very good. Very flavorful, very delicious. And look at the juices. It's so tender, the juices. Look at the juices right there, y'all. The juices come out of there. It's so tender. It's so flavorful. This I'm going to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting these wonderful recipes. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my barbecue chicken breast on the grill. We put this on the grill, and to make a tender and moist chicken breast, you cannot keep that on the grill all the way through the cooking process of those hot coals, which is fine. If people can do it, they are an expert because I am not. So what I usually do, I season my chicken real heavy with the spices I like, and most of it is cayenne pepper, paprika, and garlic powder, onion powder, or whatever you desire. You put on there and let it be heavy, black pepper and salt. And then you let it sit overnight. Really, let it sit overnight so the spices can infuse into the chicken meat. So what I do, I flatten it out. It's gonna be perfect like this, but I flatten it out and I wrap it in some aluminum foil, just like a little tent, just like this. And I put it in the oven for about 15 minutes, only 15 minutes. And I let it sit for a second, and then I put it on the hot grill and let those grill marks get on it and that smoke. That's how I do mine. And I'm going to show you how that looks after we get ready to do the barbecuing today. Okay, as you can see, I have the aluminum foil wrapped around the chicken breast. And I got it on a pan. So what I'm going to do is put it in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes and take it out. This keeps the chicken moist. When you put it on the grill, it has a tendency to enhance that smoke, and the chicken be done inside. And it'll take about maybe 10 minutes on the grill. So we're going to put this in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are grilling with the grill master out in the country, y'all. What you grilling there? We got this chicken I was telling y'all about, how tender it can be. Look how juicy and tender that chicken is. And we got the corn on the top, and we got the beef ribs. And look at that filet mignon. What is that? Filet mignon. And a little hamburger right here. And we got the other little turkey sauces, and we got a big old pot of greens. And we got this salad I told y'all about. And we got that light bread hamburger. We doing it up. Look at the cornbread, y'all. We doing it up Mother's Day. Look at my dog. She's going to have a little baby. She's going to have a little baby. So we just keep moving it up right here, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. And you need to stir that right there with that beef in there. I can put some sauce in there. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, y'all. This is Sandra will tell you how to eat it, and thank you for coming and looking at us Mother's Day.